Give me sunshine, yeah, yeah.
Welcome to the Instant Tutorials by the Ruggeds, where every week we teach you a new breaking technique. My name is Lee, and today I'll be teaching you the chair freeze. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and let's get straight into it. So, the chair freeze, it looks like this. As you can see, there are three important balance points: the side of your head, the arm support, and your left leg. So the most important thing is the arm support. What you want to do is put the elbow on the side of your body. Not too much to the stomach and not too much to the back, because otherwise you will fall. Then your left leg, you want to put it on the ground, and your right foot comes on your left knee. So it would look like this. And then the last thing what you have to do is put your head on the ground for more support. And this is the chair freeze. If you want more sauce on it, put your hand right here. If you want more sauce on it, switch legs, more sauce, hand right here. That's the chair freeze. If you want more specific tutorials, comment below. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and I'll see you next week. Peace.
Wat moest ik zeggen?